How to unlock your profile on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unlock your profile on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click this one, profile locking. And now all you need to do is just one click here on unlock, this one, click on it and then click unlock your profile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.